Find the exact perimeter and area of the rectangle. Well, finding perimeter of a rectangle and the area is pretty simple. What complicates this, of course, is the fact that we've got this irrational number in here. So, as I've talked about before, whenever you have something like the square root of 5 or pi in your answer, you're just going to treat that thing like it's an x. So it's almost as if this is a 6x. And so whenever we do algebraic operations on it, we're just mostly going to be dealing with, say, the coefficient, the 6 that's out front. Okay, so if I want the perimeter, I know I've got 2 of these 4s. So 4 and 4 is 8. And then we've got 2 of these 6 square roots of 5. I'm just going to write them down here so we can see what the heck's happening with each of these irrational numbers. So as I mentioned, we're going to treat this as if it's a 6x and a 6x. If we're going to add those two together, you leave the x alone and we just add the two 6's together to get 12. So the same thing happens with the square roots, and so our perimeter becomes 8 plus 12 square root of 5. And then we want to throw some units on it. Looks like it's inches. Nice. All right. And now let's find the area. Area should just be the length times the width, which is, doesn't really matter the order here, but I'm going to put the 4 first and the 6 square root of 5. If I were going to multiply this thinking that this is something like 4 times 6x, then the only thing that gets multiplied are the 4 and the 6, and then the x comes along for the ride. And that's going to be our square root of 5 here. So 4 times the 6 gives us 24. Bring our square root of 5 here. And then throw our units on. Since this is area, should be inches squared. Ta-da!